Hello crochet friends and welcome back. We're working on our teddy bear. This is his little body and we finished last time with a nice bulk section. So I'm hoping you're all set with that and you made it through round 12. We're going to start with round 13 today. We currently have 42 stitches on our work because we were just single crocheting around, right? We had no increase, no decrease. But we're going to start working on some decreases now. So for 13, we're going to single crochet the first 12 stitches and then we're going to do a decrease. And we're going to repeat this. This is a 3-time repeat. So we'll have 39 stitches on our work, okay? So enter your first stitch, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through 2. There's 1. We need 12 of these, all single crochets. 2 and 3. Okay. 4. I hope everybody did okay with their bulk. 5. Sometimes it's a little time consuming. 6. 7. 8. Few stitches here, right? 9, 10, 11. Okay, wow, look at us. This is great. All right, this is 12, and then we're going to decrease. So we want to do invisible decrease because of the kind of small stitches we have going on here, which will look a little bit neater. So we're going to enter the first stitch, the front loop of our next stitch. Ooh, yarn over and pull through the front loop of the following stitch. Yarn over and pull through. And you should have 3 on your shank. Yarn over and pull through all 3 of those. And then we repeat again. We're going to do 12 single crochets and a decrease. So I will go through the decrease with you one more time. So let's work up these 12 single crochets. Here we go. Okay, this is number 12, and let's do that decrease together again one more time. Okay, so front loop, yarn over and pull through. Go into the next stitch, front loop, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over and pull through all 3, okay? So I'm hoping that makes sense for everybody. It is a little different. And then we start again with 12 single crochets. It's a little different, I know, but I think the point of it is, and what I've noticed in my work, is when you do a decrease, sometimes it's bulky looking and it can kind of protrude out from your work. So by doing it in that front loop only, you're getting less of the stitch, so it's less bulky and it doesn't stand out. It doesn't kind of show up so much in your work, even though, I mean, it's obvious you are decreasing somehow because your circle's getting smaller. But it just looks a little bit neater. That's all. We just always try to look a little bit neater. Okay, this is getting near the end here. We did 12 single crochets. Let's see, I have one more. And then we're going to do another decrease. Okay, so front loop, yarn over and pull through, front loop, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3. Okay, so that is the end of 13. We have 39 stitches on our work. 14, we're just going to single crochet all these stitches. Okay, so just give them a nice, neat, I have my marker in there, a nice, neat single crochet all the way around. I could feel it on my hook. Oh dear. Yeah, that would not have been nice and neat. So let's just go around, count your stitches, make sure that you have the proper number. And this is round 14, okay? Here we go. Okay, this is 39. Yahoo! I love it when it counts out right. Oh boy, that's always nice. Move up your marker. Okay, now that was single crochets. So that was round 14. We did 39 single crochets. We're going to go on to 15. For 15, we're going to do 11 single crochets and a decrease. So it's kind of the reverse of what we did on the increasing, remember? So this is 2 and 3. Not bad, right? 4, 5, we've got this. Wow, excellent. And 11. Okay, so it's 11 single crochets for our repeat this time, and then a decrease. So front loop, yarn over and pull through, next front loop, yarn over and pull through, and then we just repeat again. Okay, so we will have, let's see, 36 stitches. We're moving down, 36. Okay, so do 11 single crochets and then your decrease until you get to the marker. Here we go. Okay, this is 11 and then a decrease. So front loops only. Alrighty. Okay, move up your marker. Okay, that's the end of 15. Excellent. We have 36 stitches on our work. And then for 16, which is going to be our last one today, we are single crocheting each stitch. Oh, nice and easy peasy. So we're going to single crochet these 36 stitches all the way around. That's it. Okay, so thoughts on the bear. I'm making mine all one color. But I was thinking about it last night, and I think there's a lot of things that you could do with this bear. For the body, for example, I really think you could change your colors up. You could give it some stripes. You could even crochet it so it looks like it has maybe like a little shirt on or something. I think I dropped that one. So changing up the colors as you're going along. I think that, there's a lot of things you could do. You can make it a girl bear, a boy bear, you know, maybe like a little hair bow or something. So you could even, if it's a gift for a little one, crocheting an initial into the yarn, or making kind of like an I-cord or a chain and sewing that on. Little tiny appliques would be cute too. So I think there's a lot of possibilities with this little guy here. So, I mean, think about it. Think about the different things that you can do. I don't feel like you're limited to doing it the way that I do it. And I hope I explain that to everybody in a lot of my projects, because I mean, this is all work of art and you have to make it the way that you would like, what appeals to you. So, I mean, just take your time, think it out, and make it, you know, make it beautiful. Have some fun with it and change it up, spice it up. You know, it does not have to all look the same. Don't feel like it has to be uniform. If you want it to be uniform, that is perfectly fine. But yeah, you do your colors and your likings, okay? Because I want everyone to enjoy their project when it's done. I don't want you to look at it and be like, okay, it's kind of vanilla, which I love vanilla. It's my favorite ice cream, but you know what I mean. Some people feel that way after you finish a project. And if you're going to do all this work, oh boy, do you want it to be perfectly perfect, right? Okay, so I'm getting near the end of 16 here. And I'm just single crocheting along. I'm trying to get them as neat and consistent, like we always say, as I can. Hands are getting a little tired. They get tired. There's a lot of stitches. Y'all did a lot of stitches today. I mean, if you think about it, you start adding all those up, that is a lot. That's a lot of work. So be proud of yourself, okay? So this is the end of 16. And like I said, we have 36 stitches on this lovely little project so far. Move up your marker when you get to the end here. And we'll meet up next time. All right, we'll meet up and we'll start on 17. We're going to keep decreasing. This is what we're looking like so far for this cute little body. All right, I like how nice and neat these stitches look with this cotton. I think it's pretty. And it's pretty stiff too. So if you're using the same yarn, I mean, feel that texture. It's pretty stiff, so excellent. All right, I will see you next time. Thank you and have a joyful day.